Hi guys, you are watching Mind of Technology and Info YouTube channel. Please subscribe to this channel. In this video, I will show you one of the best Bluetooth earphones under 1000 rupees. These are Tangent Lite Petron earphones. They come with Bluetooth version 5. They have 10mm bass boost drivers. They also come with clear call microphone and passive noise cancellation. These earphones are pretty light. They weigh around 23 grams. If we charge these earphones for 1.5 hours, they last up to 6 hours. They are also sweat resistant. To improve the gaming capabilities, Petron has also provided a low latency gaming mode. The design of the earphones is pretty nice and they come with comfortable earbuds. They come with magnetic attraction and are available in 4 colors that are red, black, yellow and green. The next earphones in this category is Petron Tangent Beats Bluetooth earphones. It comes with dynamic sound quality, stylish and comfortable design, and it is also equipped with magnetic attraction. It gets comfortable ear tips and also Bluetooth version 5. It gets call and music controls at your fingertips. The only difference between Tangent Lite and Tangent Beats is the sound quality and the build quality. This will be offered in 3 colors: lava red, cyber yellow and matte black. The next earphones in this category are Boat Rockers 185. They are of 1000 rupees. Their playback time will be approximately 15 hours. They support dual pairing. The reverse size of these earphones is 10mm. It also gets IPX4 waterproof rating. These earphones will also come with Bluetooth version 5. The next earphones in this segment are New Republic Reebok 3 earphones. They come with 15 hours of all-day battery performance. They feature magnetic earplugs. These earphones are also coming with ear stabilizers, which provide sporty looks and comfortable fit to our ears. These earphones come with Bluetooth 5 version. The earphones also come with inline controls with a built-in microphone in it. The bass of these earphones is powered by X-Bass. It means that it gets punchy bass as compared to other earphones. The drivers of these earphones are of 10mm. The next Bluetooth earphones are from Thomson. They are Thomson BN-B01 earphones. They come with comfortable neck strip and with comfortable earbuds. These earphones come with Bluetooth version 5 and the battery backup of these earphones is around 8 hours. These earphones come with easy to control volume up and down buttons. Due to its 45 angle earbuds, it provides a secure fit in everyone's ears and the earphones wire is threaded with nylon. Thomson has designed these earphones in such a way that they provide excellent noise cancellation. The next earphones in this list are Truke Yoga Dual Driver Bluetooth Neckband earphones. They come with dual drivers. Totally, there are 4 drivers in earphones. They come with 20 hours of battery backup. Each driver is of 9mm. These earphones are splash proof. They come with Bluetooth version 5. Like other earphones, these will also come with magnetic attraction. The next earphones in this list are Zebronics Zeblark earphones. They come with rapid charging feature which can fully charge the earphones within 1 hour. I have been using them since 2 months. I have done a detailed review on them. They are pretty comfortable and of good quality too. You can see the full detailed review on my YouTube channel. These earphones come with magnetic attraction and dual pairing. The battery backup is around 15 hours. According to my view, Thomson neckband earphones are the best because they are of fine build quality and good sound quality too. Thank you for watching this video guys. Stay connected for more videos. Please subscribe to this channel.